Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making shortbread cookies. To start our shortbread cookies, I have a large bowl, and in it I have a stick of butter. And to this I'm going to add half a cup of sugar slowly, and I'm going to beat it together with my hand mixer. To our butter and sugar I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then slowly I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. I have an 8-inch cake pan, and I'm going to take our cookie dough, put it right in, and then with my fingers I'm going to press the dough into the pan. I'm going to run the back of a knife through the dough just to cut it into pieces, and then with a fork I'm just going to dot it, and this is ready to bake. Our shortbread cookies are right out of the oven. I let it cool for a few minutes, turn it out, cut it again, and then let them cool completely. I have some of our shortbread cookies. Let's give one a taste. So buttery, just sweet enough, knowing it's tender and delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make shortbread cookies. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.